Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to remove someone from your Instagram's share list. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your Instagram application. So every time you tap on the share button under a post, you'll be able to see a bunch of people that you can share this post to. However, if you want to remove someone from this list, then go ahead and tap on their profile. On the three dotted icon on top right corner of their profile, tap on it and you'll be able to see the restrict option. Tap on it, confirm that you want to restrict account, and this account will be restricted. Now go ahead and delete this conversation by tapping on the delete icon that appears on the bottom of this chat. Confirm that you want to delete. Now go ahead and restart this application again. Now once you do that, you will not be able to see them in your shared list anymore, and this is how you can remove someone from your share list on Instagram. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.